Good morning, all. It's coming up to 11:30 p.m. Oh, fuck's sakes. It's coming up to 11:30 a.m. on a Sunday morning. A.m. on a Sunday morning. Go to church. And if you can't go to church, just look at it then. When you're next passing. Right, what was I going to say? Rugby. My local team. Scarlets. In France. Yesterday. Clermont. Down south somewhere in France. In the European Challenge Cup. Oh, excuse me. Challenge Cup. Got my coffee here. Coffee. And a rollie. I'm on the rollies this week. I might get a box of cigarettes next weekend. I got a bag of rolling tobacco for the week. Yes, Scarlets. Well, surprise, they lost. Surprise not. They lost. Yeah, a bit of a drumming again. 38-18 was it? Or 38-16. Scarlets had a player sent off. I don't know. Well, it was a clash of heads. I don't think Johnny Williams, the centre, number 12, I think he was, or 13. One of them numbers. Did much. He could, clash of heads. So I don't know. He didn't seem to go in. He didn't seem to lead with his head. It's just a simple clash of heads. But the ref sent him off. It was an Irish ref, by the way. So no surprise there. Bloody Irish refs. Anyway, they lost, so they're out. The NFL playoffs, they've been struck down by weather. There was one last night. The bloody temperatures was minus 10, minus 20, plus chill factor minus 1,000. So I don't know where we went. One of the games has been moved from today to Monday for a day. Won't be surprised if one or two of the games will be called off today. I think all the rest are today, I think. Yeah, I don't know if there's any on Monday. No. Well, there is one on Monday now. My so-called, the team I follow then, that's the best way in NFL, Green Bay Packers. Thankfully, they're not playing at home in Wisconsin, in Green Bay, because the temperature there is minus zillion degrees Fahrenheit or centigrade, take your pick. They're playing in Texas. Whoa, Baskin, Texas. Outside Dallas somewhere. Dallas Cowboys. In Arlington. Wherever Arlington is. So many Arlingtons in USA, isn't it? Yeah. One of them's even a cemetery. In the east from it. Civil War and all that nonsense and all the rest. These wars that USA do tend to get in. Oh, I need to blow my nose. No. Oh, God, that's had it. It's the next rollie. They don't last 2 minutes, they don't. Right, so all that is going on sports on a Sunday. And usual rubbish going on around the world. USA and UK are now starting to bomb the shit out of Yemen because of this Red Sea disturbance of international cargo ships, whatever they're called. These ships full of bloody containers and oil tankers and God knows what, food for Israel and shit like that. I don't know. Rice from India to Israel. Aye. Why was why have us Israelis got bald heads and ears to stick out? Because when they're training, they go, "How much?" Oi, 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 oi. Oh, right. It's a terrible joke, I know. But it's the politest one I know, without crossing any lines. Aye. That normally applies for Tottenham Hotspur supporters from Golders Green. Right, call it 6 minutes then. Happy Sundays all. Go to church if you're Christian. Or if you just look at it when you're next passing it, etc. I'm going down the shop soon. It's not too cold today. Oh yeah, my birds have found my feeders upstairs here.